Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Black Friday nail art haul. I have two brands that I decided to splurge on and try out, but I have gotten into nail stamping and love it. I absolutely love to do it, and I wanted to dive into some new brands that I had not tried before. One is Maniology, which was previously known as Bundle Monster. And the second one is Twinkled T. Each of these have been highly talked about here on YouTube and on Facebook groups for years. So the first thing from Maniology is one of their stamping starter kits. This set is the Bloomin Babe Set. It comes in a package looking like this. It comes with everything that you need to do nail stamping. This set was $13 on sale. I did not get the 30% off of this, unfortunately, but I thought, you might as well go ahead and just try it out anyway. This has two stamping plates, two mini stamping polishes, a scraper, and a stamper for the price of $13. It's a little more now since there's no sales. They had a promo or something that was going on. They were a little bit cheaper. But it comes with stamping plates that look like this. On the back of the plates, they have this backing to hold the stamping plate in place. So this is what the first plate looks like. It is just a very florally themed stamping plate. And then the other one that they had included has some smaller stamps on it. Looks like this. Trying to get it so you guys don't have a glare. But that's what those two stamps look like. And then you open it up, and you have your little scraper here, if I can get it out. There's the little Maniology Scraper, and this is the colors that the polishes came in. You have it purple, and then you have this sagey green. The little stamper itself looks like this. It is just a thicker stamper, but it comes in this set as well. And these are, like I said, these are mini polishes that come in here. I will show with you here in a second what the regular size polishes actually look like. Getting things out of that is a little tricky too, by the way. But this is in Monarch Dream. This is one of the polishes that came in it, and these are 7 milliliters a piece, and then this is in Soft Sage. So they just have you using both of these. They do also have little things on the cap here that you can stamp over so you see what it looks like over black and what it looks like over white. So there is the starter kit. It does also come with some instructions if you are a newbie to stamping. And then I picked up a couple other things on the side. I picked up 3 separate plates. Their packaging looks like this. They come in these really nice sleeves. They also have the same backing on them. This one is another floral print design. I really liked this particular stamp here. I thought that is going to be so much fun to play with. Then there is this one. This is like a honeybee themed plate. I wanted this one so bad, so I thought it was such a good deal. These are like $7 plates, I think, and they were 30% off, so definitely a decent bargain. And then the last one I got is a cat themed plate. This one here, I've seen so many YouTubers using this particular plate that I thought I have got to test that for myself. So I have that one. Then the last thing I picked up, or last couple, I picked up one more of the Ice Cube stamper and scraper sets. I wanted to stock up on stampers because the one I'm currently using from Queen is definitely time to toss it. And I needed some backups that were actually available. Queen doesn't sell them locally anymore, so I can't go to Walmart and get them. So I wanted some of these that are a little bit easier to get, so to speak. I bought their sticky base coat to test out. I'm currently using Orly's Bonder. I like it. I didn't think I liked it as much as I do currently, so I probably didn't need to buy this, but I figured why not use a sticky base coat to see how it works. This is like $6 or $7, I think, and then I needed a little bit more to get free shipping in my order, so I picked this clearance polish up. This is in Dear Violet. It's just a gorgeous pale lilac shade. It's shimmery. Their stamping polishes, from what I understand, can also double as just like regular base color polishes also, so that is exciting. And it does also have the little thing here that you can stamp over top of to see what it looks like over black and over white. So that is it for Maniology. And then the next one is Twinkled T, as I mentioned before. They are a newer to me brand. I've heard about their stuff through a Facebook group of mine and on YouTube as well. They package everything in this bubble wrap. One thing I will say, they're based in California, and it took 10 days or so for me to get the order from them. They did not actually fill my order for a good 4 days after I ordered it. Now, granted, it was Black Friday and Thanksgiving and all of that stuff, or Black Friday weekend and whatever, so that's understandable. So if you take the weekend and everything off, I guess it was, you know, like a week's worth. But there's just a little slower in shipping. Maniology comes from Hawaii, so they took about 10 days to get to me. I do live in the States, by the way. And you just have to play around with it. Shipping takes a little bit longer, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. So I picked up 3 stamping polishes. Their polishes come in little boxes like this. All of their stuff is unicorn themed. I have to say, the only issue so far with this polish is that there's no name on it. I ordered them and they had names, but when I went to open these, I filmed this a couple times, when I went to do that, there's no name, what the polish name is anywhere on this product. So I picked up this blue, and I love the little unicorn on here. These are 10 milliliter bottles, and I think they were like $6, I want to say, for the stamping polishes. These are just for stamping. They do not double as nail polishes, just in case anybody wanted to know that. I know this one here is called Swerve, S-W-E-R-V-E, I think. I'm not sure how they spell it. That's what this one is called. This is just like a metallic-y, shimmery burgundy red. And then I picked up a yellow because my yellow from Born Pretty that I have, I don't really care for. It's not very opaque. So I'm going to try this one. I don't remember what the name of this one is. I'll put everything down below. But this is just a really nice bright yellow. I hope it's as opaque as it is in the bottle. And then I picked up one of their stampers. This thing, it comes in a little box like this, or a little bag. And you have your scraper and then the stamper itself. The stamper is huge. Huge, huge, huge. I couldn't get over how big this stamper is. But this is what the stamper looks like. It's got their logo on it, and this is the actual size. You can see, you know, compared to my hand, this is a very big stamper. The one that I'm using is a Queen stamper. It's just a very short, round one, so this will definitely be different, but I am excited to be able to actually use it and see through it. The one I'm currently using, it's so gunked up from just being used, I can't get the cloudiness off of it, so it's time to get rid of that one. The last couple things are plates. This company is kind of new when it comes to stamping plates, but I thought I'm going to go ahead and try them. I did have to pay shipping on this. There was no free shipping offered at all with this company, but there's this one in Under the Sea. I'm excited to use this. I think that'll be fun. It also comes with the backing with their logo on it, and they come in little sleeves here that actually tells you how to do your stamping and what you need and how to go about doing it. And there's this one that is star themed. And the last one I got is kind of a bird themed plate. I didn't have anything like this in my collection so far, so I went ahead and picked this one up as well. I like that little owl. However, he's not going to actually fit on my nails. I do realize now that the images are humongous, so I'm not really sure how you would put this little guy on a nail. I mean, it might fit on my big toe, but it's not, I mean, you know, it's not going to fit on my actual nail, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that. But anyway, I think that's it for the Black Friday haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you picked anything up, let me know in the comments what you got your hands on. And stay tuned, I will be trying to test some of this stuff out on camera in the coming weeks. Things will be a little crazy here with Christmas coming up, but I'm going to try my best to get some things uploaded for you guys for the week of Christmas and New Year's. So definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys later.